Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. Starting online lesson number 1 with chapter 4 Structure of Molecules. As we are already done with 3 chapters in grade 8, so starting with chapter number 4, the first topic is why do atoms form chemical bond? It's on page number 92 in your books. Before starting the topic, here is an introduction about the chemical bonding. When you look around, you will find hundreds of things that are found in the combined state. These things combine with each other in number of ways. The attractive forces which keeps the atoms together in substances is called the bond. What? The attractive forces which keeps the atoms together in substances is called the bond. Except the noble gases, which exist as atoms. All other elements and compounds are formed by the combination of atoms. Clear? Noble gases can exist in its atomic form. Why? Because their outer shell is complete. They are stable. That's why. You have learned that atoms can combine with one another to form molecules. Molecules of the same elements consist of same kind of atoms. For example, oxygen, O2. Two atoms of same element in a single molecule of oxygen. Clear? While molecules of compounds are made up of different kinds of atom. Why? Because for a compound, the atoms should be different. Clear? Two or more than two atoms can combine, but the kind of atom should be different. Okay, so here is HCl, atom of hydrogen and the other of chlorine. So this molecule we can call it a compound. Why? Because two atoms are of different kinds. Clear? So this is the molecule of hydrochloric acid, which is a compound. CO, carbon with oxygen. So it is carbon monoxide. So this molecule is a compound. Why? Because two atoms are of different kinds. Atoms combine with one another by the process called chemical bonding. So they are here in combined state. Why? Because of chemical bonding. Why do atoms form bonds? In how many ways do they form bonds? What are differences between the different kinds of bonds? You will get answers of these questions in this unit. Starting with first topic of this unit, why do atoms form chemical bond? Every system in the universe tends to lower its energy in order to attain stability. Water flows from higher level to lower level. Similarly, electricity flows from higher potential to lower potential, and heat flows from a hot body to a cold body. Why is it so? This happens because both water and electricity are trying to decrease their energy. Atoms in the same way have tendency to decrease their energy. The energy of isolated hydrogen atoms is higher than the two bonded hydrogen atoms. Means when hydrogen atoms are in single state or when they are in isolated form, their energy is higher. But when they combine together, their energy become low or they decrease their energy and become stable in molecular form. That is, the combination of atoms gives stable molecule through emission of energy. They can decrease their energy by combining with other atoms and form a chemical bond. Let me explain chemical bonding in hydrogen molecule through this diagram. Here you can see very clearly the hydrogen atom in isolated form with one electron in its K shell, another hydrogen atom with one electron in its K shell in isolated form. In order to decrease their energy and to become stable, they both are overlapping their orbitals in order to complete their outer shell. So by sharing two electrons, means one from each side, their outer shell become complete. So here the hydrogen in its molecular form will have lower energy and it will become stable. Hydrogen, electron with dot, another hydrogen, electron with dot, together they are forming the hydrogen molecule, and the bond is shown through two dots. So two dots together form a one single bond. So one pair, one bond. Again hydrogen with single dot, another hydrogen with single dot, means one electron with each hydrogen atom, and the bond is shown through a single line. Clear? Now concepts of chemical bonding. There are two concepts which explain the chemical bonding: the valence concept and the orbital concept. In this unit, we will study about the valence concept in detail. Valence shell means the outermost shell. This concept is about the completion of electrons in the outer shell or the valence shell. Each atom wants to attain the electronic configuration of noble gases and to become stable. So atoms combine with each other through chemical bond in order to decrease their energy and to become stable. See, each atom wants to attain the electronic configuration of noble gases. It means each atom wants to be like noble gases. Means they want to complete their outer shells and they want to become stable. So in order to become stable, the atoms combine with each other through chemical bond. They share electrons, they gain electrons, they lose electrons, and in different ways they form the chemical bond in order to decrease their energy and to become stable. Clear? I think this is enough for today, but if you have any problem related this lecture, you can ask me. Clear? As this is your first lecture, so I am giving you only two questions in your homework and you have to write their answers in your notebooks. We will check them later, inshallah. Okay? Thank you.